Assalamualaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. In today's video we are going to talk about how to add a barcode to our PDF report. So in one of the previous video we have already developed this report and now we need to add barcode to this report. So here is like we will add barcode here on this section. So for this purpose, first of all we need to divide this into two sections using the div and column of HTML. So first of all, I will add div class row to make like two columns of length 6 each, like this, and then I will add another div with class of 6, and then let me close it here like this, and then add another div for the barcode with class 6, like this. Okay, so this section will show on the left side and the barcode will show on the right side. So in order to add the barcode, I will just add a simple code which I will show you. So the code is similar to adding an image to the PDF report. So this is the code that you need to pass, and here is the type of the barcode. So in this case I'm using code 1 to 8, but you can pass any type of barcode here. This is the value which I want to embed in the barcode, and these are the parameters for the height and width. So this is the alternative text that will appear if barcode did not generate. So this is it, and let me upgrade the module, and then we will see if the barcode added or not. Okay, so module upgraded. So let me try to print the report. Print. So we got the report. So let me open it. So here it says like barcode has not been added. Why? Because let me check the type of barcode. So if you want to make sure if the format that we use is correct, we will check in the Odoo default code. So here it is, and we made a mistake, like we need to pass it in capital like this. Okay, and then upgrade the module again. So after the module upgrade, we will print the report again. Click the print button to print it, and okay, so we got the report again, and here it is. So it has been printed, and we need to adjust the height and width. So height should be 100 and width should be 400, and it will look good in this case. Click upgrade button to upgrade it, and then print the report again. So we got the report again, and here it is. So barcode added. So once you scan this barcode, it will contain the course code, which is this one, like this. So here let me show you. So this is actually the value that we pass to embed in the barcode, and o.code is actually the course code. This is the technical name of this field. Now if I want to add QR code instead of barcode, so as you know that QR code is actually a type of barcode, so we can just pass here QR code. So let me just duplicate this and comment for barcode, and let me change it to QR code. Okay, so as QR code is a square, so we need to add width and height of same value, like 150 maybe. Let's see. Okay, and here we can change it to QR code. Okay, like this. So this is actually the type of barcode which we pass here. So in this case, I want to print the QR code, and you can add any other type that are available and acceptable by this function. So now let me upgrade the module again, and let me print the report. Okay, so we got the report again, and let me open it. So here it is. So if you scan this QR code, it will show you the course code. In the QR code, we can embed multiple information like the URL and some other thing. So we can add a couple of things like the responsible date, QR code, and the link to this QR code. We will discuss this in detail in the website section when we work on the website. So stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of the upcoming videos. Thank you.